7 protein-packed foods we've just discussed into your vegetarian diet to help boost muscle growth and recovery. Remember, it's not just about quantity, but also quality. Lentils, quinoa, Greek yogurt, tofu, chickpeas, cottage cheese and edamame all offer a rich source of essential amino acids, fiber and other nutrients. These aren't just protein powerhouses, they're full of other nutrients that will help you maintain a balanced and healthy diet. So, next time you're planning your meals, remember to include these protein-rich foods to help fuel your gains. Before we wrap up, let's recap. Lentils, with their impressive protein and fiber content, are a fantastic choice for muscle growth. Quinoa, a complete protein source, provides all 9 essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth. Greek yogurt, a delicious and creamy dairy product, is packed with casein protein, perfect for promoting muscle recovery. Tofu, a versatile ingredient made from soybeans, provides all the essential amino acids necessary for muscle building. Chickpeas, a staple in many vegetarian diets, are a great source of protein and fiber, and are particularly high in the amino acid lysine. Cottage cheese, low in fat and high in protein, is a favorite among fitness enthusiasts, rich in slow-digesting casein protein. Lastly, edamame, a tasty snack and a complete protein source, provides all the essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and growth. In the journey to muscle gain, remember, every bite counts. Choose your foods wisely and fuel your body with the nutrients it needs. Remember, your diet is just as important as your workout, so make sure you're nourishing your body with the best. After all, a healthy body is the best fashion statement. And with that, we've reached the end of our list. Remember, the key to muscle gain isn't solely about protein. It's also about a balanced diet and a consistent workout routine. Here's to healthy eating and happy muscle building.